Good morning, students. Now we discuss average. So, first average. What is average? Average equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Number of observations. That is sigma fx by n. Sigma fx by n. So, the next, the average of first n natural numbers, n plus 1 by 2. So, that is here, so sigma n by n. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2 by n cancel. So, that's why average equal to n plus 1 by 2. So, the next, the average of squares of first n natural numbers so sigma n square, that is sigma n by n, that means sigma n square by n. So, that is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 by n. So, n cancel, that's why average is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. So, the average of the squares of the first n natural number is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then next, average of cubes of first n natural numbers. Average of cubes of first n natural numbers. That is sigma n cube. So, sigma n cube is, so sigma n cube by n, so that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 by n cancel. So, that's why n into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Average of the cubes of the first n natural number is n into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So, then next, m observations average is x. So, n observations average is y. So, if you want average of the total, so mx plus ny by m plus n. So, then next, now we discuss problems. So, find the average of the first 10 prime numbers. Find the average of the first 10 prime numbers. So, 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are 10 prime numbers. If you want average, sum, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. by 10. So then next 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 11, so 28, 41, 58, 58, then next 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17, plus 11 28, so 28 plus 3 41, 40 58, 77 100, 29 129, so 129 by 10 equal to 12.9. So the next example, find the average of find the average of find the average of first 10 natural numbers. 10 natural numbers. So if we want average of first n natural numbers, that is n plus 1 by 2. So 10 plus 1 by 2, that is 5.5. Then next, find the average of 3 hours 40 minutes 24 seconds. Find the average of 3 hours 40 minutes 24 seconds. So here convert into seconds. So 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds. So that's why 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So that's why 3 hours, that is 10,800 plus 40 minutes, 40 into 60, that is 2424 by 3. So that's why, so 12,000, so 10,800, 2,424 seconds, so 24 2, so 13,224 by 3, 13,224 by 3. So 3 4s are 4s are 08, 08 seconds. Next we discuss find the average of find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. So find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. Find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. 20 multiples of 7. So 7 multiples are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So 720 multiples 140. So this is, so you can take, those are 7 multiples. So yeah, if you want average equal to, should be common, 1 plus 2 plus then, so 20. So this average is 7 into, these are first 20 natural numbers. So that is n plus 1 by 2, 20 1 by 2. So that is 7 into 10.5. So 7 into 10.5 equal to 7 5s are 35, 73.5. So average of first 20 multiples of 7 is 73.5. This is the one way. The alternate way is, so sigma Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. So n by 2 a plus L. So here if we want average, average equal to n by 2 a plus l by n. So that's why n cancel. So average equal to a plus l by 2. So a plus means a is the 7, l is the 140. So 7 plus 140 by 2. 7 plus 140 by, because of first term is 7, last term is 140. So you know already first term last term in APSN equal to n by 2 a plus l sigma. So that's why if you want average n by 2 a plus l by n cancel, that is a plus l by 2. So a plus l by 2 equal to 147 by 2, 147 by 2. So 73.5. So then next we discuss next problem. There are two sections A and B. There are two sections A and B. There are two sections A and B. There are two sections A and B of a class consisting of a class consisting of students 36 and 44 respectively, if the average weight of the section A is, if the average weight of section A is 40 kg, and that of section B is, section B is 35 kg, find the average weight of whole class. So here once again there are two sections A and B of a class consisting of students 36 and 44 respectively. If the average weight of section A is 40 kg and that of section B is 35 kg, find the average weight of whole class. You know already. M observations average X, N observations average Y. If we want class average is mx plus ny by m plus n. So here section A 36 students, section B 44 students respectively. So here the section A is, average weight of section A is 40 kg. So 40 kg. Section B is 35 kg. So if we want average weight mx plus ny by, that means m observations average x, n observations average y. That's why mx plus ny. So here 36 into 40 plus 44 into 35 by, so m plus n, that is 80. So here just you can common the 5. So 36 into 8 plus 44 into 7 by 80. So 36 into 8 8 6 is 48. So 288 plus 44 into 7, 7 4 28. So 308. So that is 288. So 16 9 596 into 5 by 596 into 5 by 80. 6 ones are 6 16s are 5 ones are 5 16s are. So 2 8s are 2 298s are. So 2 14s are 2 49s are 2 4s are. So 149 by 4, 149 by 4, 4 3s are 12. So 29 25 kg. So 4 3s are 4 7s are 4 2s are 4 5. So 37.25 kg. The next problem is, next problem, 9 persons went to a hotel. 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. 9 persons went to a hotel. 9 persons 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. So 8 persons spent 12 rupees 12 rupees on each their meals. Each their meals. 8 persons spent 12 rupees on each their meals. Ninth person spent ninth person spent 8 rupees more than 8 rupees more than average of all the 9, more than the average of all the 9. Find the total money spent by them. Find the total money spent by them. So here 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. 8 persons spent 12 rupees on each their meals. Ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average of all the 9. Find the total money spent by them. So here you can take 9 persons average. 9 persons average you can take x. So here that is 9 persons total money, that is the 9x. 8 persons spent 12 rupees on each. 8 persons spent 12 rupees on each. That's why 18 to 12. But ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average of all the 9. So 8 rupees more than the average of all the 9 means x plus 8. So this is x plus 8. Ninth person spent 8 rupees more than the average of all the 9. So that's why 96 plus x plus 8 equal to 9x. So 8x equal to 104, x equal to 13. So total money spent by them 9 persons. So that is total money, that is 9x. So 9 into 13, that is the 117. So the next problem. So then next, a batsman makes, yeah, this is the most important question. A batsman makes 87 runs in the 87 runs in the a batsman makes 87 runs in the 17th inning 17th innings and thus is average and thus is average increased by increases by 3 runs. Find the average after 17th inning. Find the average of after 17th inning. So this is the question. So after 17th inning is average can take x. So that is total 17th innings runs 17x. So 16th inning is average is 16th inning is average is x minus 3 because of after 16th innings is 17th innings 17th innings is scored 87 runs, that's why his average increased by 3 runs. So before 16th innings his average is 16 x my, so that is the x minus 3. Are you getting? So that is 16x minus 3. This is the 16th innings score. 16 innings score. So here 17th inning is scored by 87 runs. That's why 16 into x minus 3 plus 87 equal to 17x. So here 16x minus 48 plus 87 equal to 17x. So that is x equal